Well, in 5.3 we have the latest technology that is called the displacement. What does displacement really do? It just add the multiple layers. You can add the multiple layers. For example, I will add a ripple sand, and I will add a rocky ground, and I will add some grains to it, and I will create a master material, and then I will apply it on our landscape, and the displacement will change the height for some layers, and it looks so stunning. So just stay focused. It's a bit complicated, but it's not that hard, so just follow everything I do. Okay, just save your project. Okay, go to the content browser, and we need to create a master material. Just create a new folder, called it master material. Open this one up, create a new material, call this the landscape master. Okay, just double click on it. This is the blueprint we have for our landscape master, but there is one issue, that we don't have the displacement option here. Okay, just don't worry, you just need to close this one, save your project, save everything. Okay, just close your project, and you need to set these two values. I will show it how, don't worry. Just copy these two values. You can see these two values here. I will share it in my description as well. And go to your project location. For me it's in drive E. This is the lost island. Go to the config. This is the default engine.ini. Just hold Ctrl and F, find render. This is the render settings we have. Just make this, it's not necessary, but I'm just doing it anyway. Okay, and just paste these values here, the nanite values here, and just save this default engine.ini. Save this one up and close this down, and then restart your project. Okay, our project has restarted. We need to load our map. This is, go to the map folder, double click on island. This is our map. Okay, just go to the content, master material. This is our master material. Now we have the option of displacement here. Now we need to open the content browser, and we need to add materials to our blueprints. For this we need to go, we can just drag this on here, and we can tag this one here. Okay, we need to go to the quickfill bridge. I will go to the local, as I already downloaded them. This is the dry sand. Just make sure to download in the highest quality. Just add this one, and we need to have another one, that is, this is the rocky sand we have. Add this one, and the third is the ripple sand, this one. Add this one as well. Just close this window. Okay, go to the landscape master, open the content browser, go to the mega scans, surfaces. Okay, we need to add all of these materials to our blueprint, but we need to add them in a sequence. For example, the first layer will be the top layer, the second layer will be the second medium layer, the third layer will be the lowest layer we have for our landscape. First of all, we need to add the rocky sand. Just select these three textures, drag them here. Just the second one is, we need the ripple sand. Just select these three and drag them here, and the last we need is the dry sand. Just drag all of these here. Okay, and we need to just set them up properly. Okay, that's been done. Now we need to have some other nodes here. Just right click, and this is the layer coordinates. Just drag this one here, then hold M, click the left click. This is the multiply node, then hold 1, left click. This is the constant node. Just connect this one here, this one goes here. We will change the value to 1. Okay, we need to copy all of this and we need to paste it here and here. Now we need to connect them with all the UVs we have. The multiplier node, this one goes here, this one goes here, and this one goes here. Same goes for this. This one goes to the base UV, this one goes to the normal, and this one goes to this one. Same goes for here. Okay. Okay. Now we need to convert this value to parameter. Just right click, convert to parameter, and we will rename it to the same name we have for the textures. This is the rocky sand, so we will rename it to the rocky sand. Okay, and this one is the ripple sand, and we need to convert it to parameter, and this is the ripple sand, and this is the last one. We need to convert it to parameter and we will rename it to the dry sand. This is the dry sand we have. Okay, that's been done. Now we need to add another node. Just right click, just make material attributes. This is the make material attributes. Just select this one here, copy this one, paste this one here, and for our last material place this one here. Okay, now we need to connect the base color with the base color. The normal will go to the normal, and for this one where the displacement goes, we need to connect this red one with the ambient, the green one will go to the roughness, and this blue one will go to the displacement. Same goes for here. This is the base color, normal will go to the normal, and for this the red value will go to the ambient, the green value will go to the roughness, and the blue one will go to the displacement. So the base color, normal, ambient, roughness, displacement. Okay, now we need to have another node. This is called the landscape layer blend. This is the landscape layer blend. Just select this one here. Okay, and we need to have 3 layers as we have 3 materials. So we have these 3 indexes for our landscape layer blend. When we need to rename it, we will give the same name as we have for our parameter, constant parameter. This is the rocky sand. Copy this name, select this one, go to the index. This is the first name we have. Okay, this is the second one. This is the ripple sand. Select this one, go to the index 1 and just paste it here. And for the last one we have the dry sand. Just copy this name, select this one, go to the index 2, and the layer name will be dry sand. Okay, so these are all the values we have. Now we need to connect these make material attributes with the layer blend. This goes to the rocky sand, the second one will go to the ripple sand, and the third one will go to the dry sand. Now we need to have another node called break material attributes. This is the break material attributes. Just connect this one here, and for this it's pretty simple. The base color will go to the base color, The roughness will go to the roughness, the normal will go to the normal, the ambient occlusion will go to the ambient, and the displacement will go to the displacement. Just save this one up, go to your island, okay, and open the content browser. This is the master material. Just right click on it, create a material instance, okay, select your landscape. This is your landscape, go down, this is the landscape material, select this one and just click on this. Okay, don't worry, we need to make some few adjustments and it will go fine. After that, go to the landscape, go to the paint. So these are all the three textures we have. Just click on this, create layer info, and then weight blended layer normal. Save this one up. Same goes for the second one and for the third one. Go to the selection mode. As we zoom in, still we don't see the displacement here, but don't worry, it's pretty easy. Don't worry, go to the landscape material we have created, select this attribute, and there is an option called displacement. Just go there and you need to select the magnitude. I will go for the 0.08 for me. Just save this one up, go to the island, and this is the last step we have. Go to the landscape, go down, just take enable nanite and build data. Well, this looks stunning. So we have the displacement here. As you just go down, as you can see, we have a displacement on our landscape and this looks stunning. I love it. You can increase the displacement as well. Go to the landscape and you can increase it, this value to the maybe 0.09 and just save this one up. Go to the island and you can just go and rebuild your data again. Okay, well, as you can see, we have a good displacement around landscape and it looks stunning.